Okay, so I wanted to come on today to show you what my plan is for a mini kit Monday for July. And I'm pretty excited. So what I'm going to do this month is I'm going to follow along with Janet at RTS Scrapbooking for her 4 for 4 series. And this time it's using 2-page spreads. So I think it's going to be really fun. So I'm going to go ahead. I have on my other iPad right here the kit building instructions. So we're supposed to start with 5 pattern papers, which will actually be 10 because it's 2 of each. But let me show you. This right here is my inspiration piece to start. So this and this one are both from the Palm Beach collection from My Mind's Eye. So we're starting here with it. And this paper is so nice and thick. I love it. So the next piece of paper, which is going to quickly bring in gold, is this one, as well as this really strong green. But we have these nice gold little palm trees. A little bit calmer here, but busy. So then I was like, okay, I don't have a lot of this collection, and I wanted 2 of each. So then what I did is I went ahead and looked at my paper pads on the hunt for, oh, let me get my flamingos over, for a collection that matched this right here, and this Hello Gorgeous matched extremely well. So I was like, cool, let's take a look. And yes, it's My Mind's Eye again. So, and they do that a lot. They'll do a lot of the same kind of tones. So I wanted to show you the paper pad I was looking at. So then I pulled this floral out. I thought it was great because the print's really big, and it's also grabbing a bunch of the other colors. Then I have this lace looking sheet. It's a tone on tone with lots of scuffy bits, lots of texture. So then I have the lace. And then I grabbed a stripe because I love a nice strong stripe when you have a lot of patterns. I always feel like it breaks it up really nicely. So that's what I grabbed there. And then the next thing she said to do is grab 4 backgrounds with pattern paper or with cardstock. And I tend to like me some pattern paper. So I have this map right here. I have this really nice muted salmon wood grain. I have this gorgeous sky print. I mean, just stunning. These are all from that Hello Gorgeous designer paper pad that I picked up for, what is it, 48 sheets for $6.99 at Tuesday Morning. So that's another background. And then I have this really rich salmony rose tight wood grain right here. So those are my papers. And then next, we're going to look at the alphas. Oh, and I want to warn you, something happened when I was building this kit. It's massive. But I was thinking, if I have double pages, I need more stuff, blah, blah, blah. There's no way I'm going to kill this thing. But let's see how it goes. So I grabbed this wood grain right here. They're both the same. It looks like, yeah, I've used a little bit from here. Just Tuesday Morning cheap stickers, but I liked the idea of wood grain. Then next, I grabbed these white, their Rockabye is the font, they're foam letter stickers right there. Wanted to bring in a little bit of black, so I grabbed these. They're called Delight. And then, let's see, I have these Dear Lizzie Good Vibes in this really muted gold. And then I grabbed the Paradise, let's see, Escape to Paradise in this coppery tone. And then when I was going through embellishments and all that, when I was trying to find stuff for this collection, this right here that I have not used popped right up, and I know it goes with that. All right, yikes. All right, so that's my alphas. That's a lot. You can't even see what I have in my papers because I have so much. All right, so then, oh, and then she said to go ahead and get a bunch of cardstock for matting and all that kind of thing. But what I thought I would do is, instead of pre-pulling, I decided I'm just going to have this handy dandy little paper pad with me to do that. you saw my alphas. Oh, and I'm not going to make the cards either. That's why I didn't really pull the envelopes either. So next was grabbing washi. So for separate washi, and this thing is barely sticky anymore. It's got some age on it. I grabbed these two really wide ones. Once again, bringing in some of the strong black because I always like strong black with bright color. And then I have this really, really thin, it's almost hard to see, isn't it? Really thin gray with really tight or really thin black lines. So I brought that, but oh, that one might take off. But I also went ahead and grabbed this pink paisley confetti wishes. And the reason I grabbed it is you can see some of these colors really work. This salmon is perfect. I can work in some of this black. And, you know, and I want to get some of these things used up that live here. This color is great. The gold is great. So while I won't be able to use all of it, I will be able... Oh, I just saw something I really liked for this. And I know, look at that with this. See, it's stunning. So washi, check. And then let's see. It says a summer round edition of everything and anything summer related. Pick a variety of items from your stash. Use as much and as little. So option scraps or a 6x6 paper pad to play. I have a 12x12. Whoops. Or other summer themed paper. Then it says and embellishments, bonus embellishments. I was going to show you things all at once because somebody got a lot here. All right, for a chipboard, I have 2 sheets of this one right here that are partially used from crepe paper, so that's some chipboard. And I also have, and I don't know how much I'm going to use of this because the tones aren't quite right, but I just included it so because I was kind of feeling some of these banners. So I have all of this for chipboard. I have tons. So I'm going to just put that to the side. Then let's see. I have from this Oasis sticker collection just these stickers left. And I'm really hoping I can just go ahead and kill these things. I love them. I love the collection. I thought it was stunning. So I'm going to see if I can get, oh gosh, some traction on that sticker sheet. Let's see. For the other big sticker sheet I pulled out is I really kind of was feeling this with this. It's not super summery per se, but the colors are great and they're pretty generic. So I thought that the generic nature of it might be helpful. Let's see. It's like I don't even know where to go with this. Okay. I have this, these are a new purchase, these Heidi Swap clear stickers. Lots of the black is what I was feeling, and then this peachy pink, I thought I could work that in. To go along with that, I have the ephemera pack right here. I picked these up a week ago at Tuesday morning, so currently excited about them. Now this, I hemmed and hawed about this, and I decided I was going to go ahead and add it, but it won't be the first thing I reach for. If I need a little bit of color, that's fine, but I'm not trying to introduce too many extra colors. So that's a standby kind of thing. Let's see, breads. Let me grab some brads and we can see how bradalicious this is going to be because it's a lot. Okay, so I have 2 Love and Lemon brad collections. Loved them, thought they were gorgeous. So when I'm working on the pinky stuff, I know I can use this. And when I'm looking for more generic, I can go there. Which that's going to be kind of a backup brad thing. I'll put it over there. See, that can hang out with the backups. But this Palm Beach collection clearly goes with my Palm Beach papers. And I've used a bunch of it. So if I can kill this, that's my first go-to. Along with this weird random little brad from who knows where. And then next I'll go to this one. Very cute. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to just grab things as I go. I saw this and the colors were working. This Project Life die cut shapes. I will show you right here. We have some nice generic black colors. Just some metallic-y kind of stuff going on, as well as these colors are in the kit. So we have this going. Then I saw this for epoxy stickers, just black and white epoxy basics. And I really liked the idea of just having a little bit of shine put in here and there. So that will work for us. From Wild Heart, I have the sticker book that I have not used. And that stuff can almost hurt your eyes, but here's a representation of what's inside. And I also have these epoxy paper clips. Don't know if I'll use them on the clips, but I really like the epoxy. Oh, look at this. I have 3 words left from this Oasis puffy sticker something something. Hopefully I can kill that. And I have one little tiny puffy palm tree that will be killed in this kit. Let's see. So a couple other things, like I've used almost all of this, so if I can get something where I can put a couple popsicles on or a couple seashells, that would be great. Hopefully I won't have a do-over, but I can say, you know, do blah blah blah, some kind of title, who knows. And then I have from Park Lane these cute little flamingos. Don't know if I'll work them in or not. They're not a big priority since they're newer. Oh, these also go with Palm Beach. They're these enamel faux pins. Haven't used any of those. These both are Palm Beach as well, although they really don't look like the colors that much in this kit, so I'm going to have to see how that goes for me. Haven't used any of them. They're puffy stickers. Can you still see? Yep, we can see that a little bit. Now I have some bits and pieces here, and these were hand-me-downs, but it says Florida, which I thought was great because I have Florida pictures I'm working with this kit, so I have that. I have this partial pack. It's Hello Sunshine Fancy Pants. It's a partial pack of die cuts there. This is, look, a cute little hand-me-down lighthouse. So cute. I have little hand-me-down palm trees. A funny little, I don't even know where she got these things. Little sandcastle with little crabs. This is Hello Sunshine again, a different pack with some of the same nice colors in it. Now this is super bold, and I don't know if I'll get any of these used, but I do like this color. These are really bold enamel pieces, but a little bit of it on a page, yes. A lot, no. Now this is from Oasis. It's the last piece I have from a cut apart sheet, so I was like, let's try to get it used. And then lastly, I have from Echo Park Summer Fun, these little epoxy bits right here. I have the world's smallest little epoxy, like little pineapples and flamingos and little tiny bits. I would love to get that used up because I never remember it. And then these are also epoxy, little drinks and flamingos and cute little things. Phew, this kit is massive. So what I'm going to do is, I have my list, because Jen and RTS likes us to give ourselves a list of what papers we have to cut in what order, you know, our bits. But I also was going to show you how I'm going to store my kit in my IKEA container, because there is a lot. So we're just going to put stuff in bit by bit and see how it works, okay? Can you see most of it? Okay. So, I mean, the key is to put things in a way that I know that I will actually see them so that I can use them, because I am an incredibly visual scrapbooker. So there's not a huge rhyme or reason. I want stuff visible. I want things like these big giant things go in the back and they'll support my paper great. That kind of thing's easy to figure out. Let's see. Let's see. More epoxy pieces. I've got all these great die cut pieces that we can put in together. See, this one is going to be so chock full. I think it's going to be kind of funny to get everything in there. And then also, it's going to be a little tricky to figure out how to make sure to not miss out on anything. You know, I'll probably incorporate either these containers. You know what I'll use? No. When I'm working through this kit, I'm going to use one of these so I can empty die cuts into each of them so I can really see what I have to use. That's what I'll be doing, because I like to rifle through. And, you know, I want to put things back when I'm done in, I want to put things back in the correct packaging, so I'll keep all of that when I'm done. But I also want to be able to see what I have, because, you know, if I don't see it, it doesn't exist. It was never there. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but unfortunately, that's the way my brain works. And so I will be doing that. Oh, my cute little single lighthouse hanging out by itself. He needs to get just, oh, did I show you? For my stamp, I was just going to use this cute little tiny heart and put little hearts here and there and sneak them in, because she wanted us to include a stamp. Okay. So these are my background pieces, and what I'm going to do with that is I have these itty bitty little, see these little mouse purses? So I have these little mouse purses. I'm going to go ahead and clip those together so I know that they are my backgrounds. And then these are the ones that I have to watch Janet's video to see how I'm supposed to cut them. But if I have them separated out, I don't have to think too hard about it. It just gets done. I'm going to put my 12 by 12 paper pad right there behind my chipboard. And then my ridiculous amounts of alphas. I know it's ridiculous, but they fit. We'll go right there. So look at that. Everything fit, which is amazing, because people wondered if you can get enough of your kits in here. Janet asked me that. If how it can be organized and if it works out well enough. And I think I'm going to go ahead and send this video to her early, so she can see, for, you know, if she wants to invest in one of these. Okay, big exciting stuff. Putting my little labels for what I have going on my box, and we're good to go. All right, now, phew, be sure to like and subscribe, and look at the links down below at the other channels for the Mini Kit Monday ladies. They're super talented, and we all have different styles, so it's fun to watch. And be sure to come back soon, because I'll have more content, and I know I want to share with you. Bye-bye now.